Good afternoon, friends. My identity is Suraj Sureka. Friends, do you know this modern split air conditioners offers maximum energy efficiency, which that is 28.2 seasonal energy efficiency ratio, which reduces the cost of billing and saves energy. Do you know these ACs are featured with uh, split dual split vane design, which gives us precise control of airflow, which results in less loss of air. Do you know these ACs are featured with silent operations, which do not make noise? If answers to all these questions are yes, then let me ask you why in the Indian household the penetration of these ACs is as low as 8%, while in the USA it is 80%. In one of the surveys done by WHO, it was found that the about 99% of human population lives in such area which do not meet the guidelines and standards of WHO. Whereas air quality is concerned, air pollution is the major threat for child health, which is linked with 7 lakhs deaths in child under 5 in the year 2021. So parameters and numbers suggest this product is beneficial. So don't wait for summers. Grab your AC today to avail the discounted offers. Thank you.